Patuloy ang pagpapaigting ng relasyon ng Pilipinas sa iba't ibang mga bansa. Sa katunayan, ginanap ang isang investment forum sa pagitan ng Cebu at ng bansang Oman na layong paigtingin ang trade, tourism at cultural partnership ng dalawang bansa. Yan ang ulat ni Jessie Atienza ng PTV Cebu.
Sa unang pagkakataon, dumayo sa Cebu ang delegasyon ng mga opisyal ng bansang Oman kasama ang Foreign Minister na si His Excellency Said Al-Busaydi. Nakapulong nila ang mga nasa business sector at maging ang mga government officials ng lalawigan ng Cebu. Ipinagbigay alam ng bansang Oman ang interes nitong mapalakas ang ugnayan ng bansang Pilipinas, lalo na ang mga negosyante.
Today, we stand at a crossroads of opportunity. Beyond the manpower relations that have long defined our partnership, we now open our arms to the business communities and investors of both our nations. Oman, with its strategic location in the Northwest Indian Ocean, at the crossroads of the Arabian Peninsula, East Africa, and South Asia, offers a gateway to markets of over 2 billion people.
Iprinisinta naman ng mga eksperto at mga entrepreneurs ng dalawang bansa ang kani-kaniyang mga business opportunities sa industriya ng turismo, manufacturing, logistics, real estate, renewable energy at maging sa information technology.
See, Oman has a role to play because in any case, Cebuano workforce is global, right? They may be in other skilled areas, but I think the IT BPM is the one that's dominant at this point of time. Opportunities of internship, opportunities to work in Oman, opportunities of outsourcing work from Oman to Philippines to Cebu are humongous. You know, it can be in the case of contact centers, it can be in terms of data analytics, it can be in terms of cybersecurity.
The opportunities are endless because you have a very, very able and skilled workforce. You are innovative. You have potential in agriculture, in the field of food security in general, in healthcare, and obviously infrastructure. We have potential in renewable energy.
Inaanyayahan din ng mga opisyal ng bansang Oman ng mga Pilipino na bumisita sa kanilang bansa na ngayon may 2-week visa-free visit para sa mga turistang Pilipino.
They have a lot of natural resources. They have wadis, oasis. They have lots of ruins. So these are the places that you would never get tired of. So even if I spent almost 20 days in Oman for the past 2 years, we have only gone to the tip. You know, I feel like there's so much more for us to explore, so much more for us to discover. And Oman is really a destination that for me, Filipinos can enjoy how many times a year?
Ayon sa Foreign Minister ng Oman, nasa 50,000 na mga overseas Filipino workers ang kasalukuyang nagtatrabaho sa kanilang bansa. 20,000 sa mga iyan ay nagmula dito sa Cebu. Kaya naman sabik silang mapalakas ang ugnayan ng dalawang bansa na matagal nang pinagtibay ng magandang relasyon at respeto sa isa't isa. Mula sa PTV Cebu, Jessie Atienza para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.